morning everyone, my name is Ritvik Krishna. Today we are back to the Lego, Ritvik and Lego. Okay, so today we are making a drone like this. For example, yes, we need parts. I'll show you what parts. Look, like this. And these we need both. Two. And one small tiny block. Yes. This and these both. Two. The same like the other ones. Yeah. This is the main part. And these we need 4 of them. Like these. 4. So in these all parts, let's make the first step. The first step is take this round one, put it on top of this. Yes, and the small dot, I told you, put it on top of this board. Look, this is the center part. So, did you remember this board? This 4, yes. We should put these on these holes. You thought of that? Yes. Put this on these holes. Put this. Put this. And the last one. Done. So we kept everything. And don't forget, these also turn. So that's good. And next, these. These parts go over here. But look, these come 2 steps. Look. Okay. So put this here. Yeah. Then the same direction straight here. Yes. So then, and these, the first I showed you guys, and put it the same way how we kept now. Like this. Yes. Now, slightly just turn this. Pull upside down. Done. Your turn is over. So, forgot. Hope you like this video. And subscribe this channel.